My name is John Ray Villawan. I'm 19 years old from Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Today, I'm going to share my thoughts on one of the most talked about technology these days, the Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things IoT refers to a system of intelligent devices that are connected to the internet and enhance information. Such devices such as smart home assistants, security cameras, and fitness trackers employ sensors and software to gather data and perform tasks automatically. IoT is applied in homes, healthcare, transport, and industries to enhance efficiency and convenience. Ang IoT o Internet of Things ay tumutukoy sa koneksyon ng mga pang-araw-araw na bagay sa internet. Ang mga bagay na ito ay mga sensor o software na nagpapahintulot sa kanila ng mga lap at magbahagi ng data. Halimbawa, ang mga smart home device tulad ng mga thermostat, ilaw at mga security camera ay maaaring kontrolin mula sa iyong telepono na magiging mas madali at epektibo ang buhay. Advantages: convenience, automation. IoT devices make life easier by automating daily tasks such as adjusting room temperature or reminding you to take in medication. Number 2. Improve safety efficiency. Security cameras, smart locks, and health monitoring devices help protect people and property. Number 3. Time cost saving. Business use lot IoT to track inventory, reduce energy use, and improve productivity. Disadvantage: security, privacy risk. IoT devices collect personal data, making them vulnerable to hacking and unauthorized access. Number 2. Internet dependency. Many IoT devices stop working properly without a stable internet connection. Number 3. High cost maintenance. Smart devices can be expensive to install and require regular updates to stay secure. It depends on the individual's lifestyle's priorities and concern. Some people embrace IoT, Internet of Things, because it adds convenience, efficiency, and automation to their daily routines. For instance, they might use smart thermostats to optimize energy use, smart locks for security, or fitness wearables to track health metrics. Others might avoid IoT due to privacy concerns, security risks, or simply because they don't feel the need for such technology. Some people prefer traditional methods over smart gadgets, believing that manual control offers calm reliability and less vulnerability to cyber threats. IoT has the potential to bring significant benefits to society by improving efficiency, quality of life, and sustainability. However, it also poses challenges related to privacy, security, and dependence on technology. The overall impact of IoT on society will largely depend on how these challenges are managed and mitigated. Responsible development, robust security measures, and thoughtful regulations are essential to maximize the benefits while minimizing the risk. Sa kabuuhan, ang teknolohiyang IoT ay kumokolekta sa mga pang-araw-araw na bagay sa internet na nagpapadali at nagpapahusay ng buhay. Nag-aalok ito ng mga benepisyo tulad ng kaginhawaan, mas mabuting paggawa ng desisyon at kaligtasan, ngunit may kahinaan tulad ng mga panganib sa seguridad at pagiging komplikado. Sa aking palagay, ang IoT ay karaniwang mabuti para sa lipunan dahil maaari itong mapabuti ang pang-araw-araw na buhay at negosyo. Gayunpaman, kailangan itong gamitin at mag-ingat upang maiwasan ang mga isyu sa privacy at matiyak ang kaligtasan kung maayos itong pamamahalaan. Ang IoT ay maaaring magkaroon ng positibong epektibo sa lipunan. Sa makatuwid, ang teknolohiyang IoT ay potensyal na maging mabuti at masama para sa lipunan. Depende sa kung paano ito ipapatupad at pinamamahalaan.